Once you save your Screencast-o-matic video, you'll have these options here, and depending on how you want to upload it, you can go ahead and save it as your video file or upload it to Screencast-o-matic or upload it to YouTube. If you upload it to YouTube, you can then add captions from there. But if you want to go ahead and edit, once I'm done, I press edit. I go over here to plus captions, and if I press speech to text and I press start, it's actually going to pull up everything I've said in order. So just give it a minute to pull it all up, depending on how long it is. And then once this is done for me, takes the bulk of the work out of it, I can go in and manually edit it. So for instance, if it wrote Google Meet as M-E-A-T, I could change it to M-E-E-T and so forth. So as you can see here, you can go scroll down. You can be listening to it at the same time, so you can actually hear. You want to advance to the right side of your screen where the icon is indicated document, just like this. So that was at the 35 section there of what it was said. So as I'm listening to it, if maybe this is supposed to be a different, maybe it's supposed to say what, I can go ahead and change it. So it's very easy to use. So once you press the speech to text, it actually will auto detect all of your words and create captions out of it. I just advise you to go back and do, listen to it and glance that it's actually correct. So Air Asia, I presume I didn't say here, so I'd want to go in and edit that. Slide in which you want to begin your voice narration. So this is supposed to say voice narration. So I can just go ahead and edit that, and you can see over here, it's corrected it already. So once I'm done, I can press OK. I can press done, and then I want to save this however I want. Okay, so you can save your video when you know you're ready to go, and then you can edit the captions, or while you're editing, just make sure you go ahead and add your captions in. So here it's showing me I already have captions, but if I wanted to add them, I can add new and just go to speech to text. If you had captions already written out, you could do it from a file or blank captions, but I find speech to text the most efficient, as it does all the work for you. Thank you.